Firstly, thank you so much for 69,000 views in total. And as we're talking about 69, so my snap score is 69,000 as well. It doesn't have to do anything with our channel or with you guys, but I thought I'd put it out there. And guys, finally, the wait is over. We're finally doing the Chapri meme review. Firstly, thank you so much to the folks over at Discord server who are working on all those memes relentlessly and making all those memes. Thank you so much. I appreciate the effort so much. Now finally I feel that we're getting somewhere. And it is possible only because of you people. I feel like Simon Says, if he was a fashion YouTuber with 1.7k subscribers, once I get big enough to Simon to notice me. Right. I hate this place. You have to be kidding me. This place. Dude, some people just can't control their kids. Like, I hate my neighbor so much, okay? This is going on from like 10 years. This is not new. It is since 10 years. Their kids just don't grow up at all. Either it's that or they just make a new child every year. I don't even know how many people are living in that house. They are such shitty neighbors. Like, the struggle is real, okay? The struggle is real. By far, I'm sure they have like 12-13 kids. But that's none of our business. As I was saying, once we get big enough to Simon to notice us, you'll finally get a Bob Fukle featuring Lil Bhendi, Om Prakash Mishra and wait for it, Dhenchak Pooja. That'd be the sickest song ever. Or we just end up in a band. We might need another member in our group. So who according to you is a great rapper? If you know what I mean by great. It's pretty difficult considering the options. I feel it's a tie between Amit Badana and Carrie Minati. एडवांस चाहिए अपन को पर 10 रुपए है जेब में अब मैं क्या करूं बीड़ी फूकनी होगी क्या बोला तू बीड़ी नहीं है तेरे पास है ना बंगाली बीड़ी तो दे वो मुझे आज
और बंटा ये अपनी छपरी सीरीज
तुम्हारा भाई अंगार बाकी सब है भंगार
क्या
Hello ACGs and welcome to our very first ever Chapri meme review video. And no, the video isn't Chapri. The people on whom the memes are being created are the Chapri ones, just to make it clear. Here the meme is on me. But I'm not a Chapri, I'm an exception, remember that. Let the past be the past, shall we? Before starting, shout out to Sakshi Chandra. Just leave the half of the comment, just read what I am reading right now. Oh, and yeah, did I mention that throughout the video I was looking at your teeth? Because, oh, they look perfect. And also shout out to everyone on the Discord server, and especially the ones who created all the memes for today's video. You are the people that made this video possible. Meet amazing people like all of you. Have fun. Whatever questions you have, if you have any problems whatsoever, go and ask on that group. I'm mostly active on that group. And once in every month, I'm going to do a voice chat with every single one of you on the group so that we can just talk and interact. Let's do our very first voice chat on 1st of December. On the 1st of December, 9 p.m. Indian Standard Time will start the voice chat. So don't miss that chat. We'll talk as much as we want. Not as much as we want. We'll have a time limit, but we will do it for sure. And let's get started. Okay guys, as you might know, if you were on the Discord server, that I did not check the memes and shit posts wala channel yet because I wanted to give a live reaction on the memes. So let's check it out right now. And this is the general chat, and let's get into the memes and shit posts. Oh, before that, I remember that we had a Telegram group before, so let's review a few memes from there and then we'll get back to the Discord one. Because obviously you guys put some hard work into it, so we can't just let it sit over there and just be wasted, right? Aarya Rathod, random street Chapri. Yeah, that is how it works actually. Yes, it is very true. Chapri Nebas and their infinity stones, cheap loafer shoes, second-hand KTM, damaged jeans, gutka. Oh, the color matches very well. Tutty editing, the color matches well again. Writing noise pick deer in girls comment section. That is the complete package. Every Chapri is Thanos. Hey, where is Triple S bomb? Hey, there. Hey, you. You're a bitch. You're a loser. No one likes you. You piece of shit. Chapri. तेरा टाइम कभी नहीं आएगा. Chapri people who disliked Aarya's video. Aarya. नहीं यार. I won't do that to anyone. Why would I do that? I won't post my picture after killing someone. I would just wipe out the evidence. Who do you think I am? I'm not John Wick.
Wake the up, samurai. We have to burn. Yes?
Supreme, this is brilliant. But I like this. Super me. That's who Chapri people are. Chapri people don't even know what Supreme is, what the actual brand is, and what the actual cost even is. Oh god, why are we talking about this? Let's just review on the memes. Aarya in a parallel universe. Whew. Oh, I believe in infinite parallel universes, and in some of those universes, I'm sure that there would be a me who is a big Chapri. This is very subtle, dude. I might be the worst Chapri in that parallel universe you could ever have seen. I could be on top of Papya Gaikwad in that universe. Who knows? There are a lot. Ooh, this. Okay. The first ever meme on Discord. Telegram, join Discord. ले me. इतना मीम मारेंगे कि सर्वर धुआं हो जाएगा. And you did, guys. You did. There's so much. I was like so excited to look at all of these memes. I was like, I couldn't even wait, but I had to wait because if every other video is a Chapri video, there's no point of calling this channel StreetStyleScape. We better call it the Chapri Stylescape. Aarya and his friend after beating a Chapri on the road. Apes together strong. Okay, I like it. This is not on me. What is this? Aarya, Chapri people strolling in the night peacefully. I don't let Chapri people live peacefully, okay? It's not a threat. It is for a good cause. Sometimes people think you're a madman for doing a good cause. But in this case, it's just the Chapri people who think I'm bad. Other people, you think I'm some sort of a god for you. No? Okay, my bad. Moving on. There are some Chapri pictures as well. We have to react on this someday. So you see, that's where the trouble began. That smile. That damn smile. Someone get me this guy's profile. I have to react to this guy. This guy looks so out of this world. Okay, I don't believe if this guy is a human or not. Please, if someone knows this guy's profile, send it to me on Instagram or this group. Share it anywhere. Share his username. Well, a lot of the memes were made by Brahma and who insisted on making some dank memes, alright? And I was like, okay, make a dank meme. We'll see what we can do. And here's the dank meme. Let's see. When a Chapri slaps you for roasting him and you called him Behan Chod, but he replies he doesn't have a sister. So you get her mom.
And modern problems require modern solutions.
This is a shared meme by Rixar. Your hair. हम संस्कारी लोग हैं, इन जैसे छपरी नहीं. काले नीले पीले गाड़ के. Girl uploads her peak. Le Chapri nibas in their comment section. Nice peak deer. Very common. Very common by now. Everyone knows this. Still people do this somehow. Why?
कौन है ये लोग?
And as my last video that I made was how to talk to girls in India. Let me boy niba. I know it might have helped a lot of you. I don't know, it's just the starting. You might have followed the tips and might going smooth so far. I don't know how it is going, but let me know in the comment section how is your relationship going. And if you don't know how to talk to your crush but want to know how to do that, specifically Indians to specifically Indians, here's the video that I've made. You can watch that video right now. No, don't watch it right now. Okay, wait. Don't watch it right now. Watch it after this video. So the card is right here. Grills are on the group. Guys, make more memes. What the fuck? There are like 5 girls in total now. Bitches, make some more memes. Get to it. Don't do that. Don't give me hope. I'm not giving you hope. I'm giving you girls. Dude, I sound like a dalal right now. I'm not a dalal or anything. Brahma finally admitted to it. Pervert me. Random girl in Aarya's comment section. Yes, they're hiding from you, Brahma. They're hiding from you. There's so much dank in you. Itna dank hum bhi nahi jhel sakte, bro. You're the pervy sage of this group. Enough with the research already. This guy. Why aren't you satisfied with me? Chapri niba bhai. TikTok banate hai. Le memer. What are you doing, dude? What are you promoting? थप्पड़ मारना है किसी को जो टिकटॉक बनाने की सोचे. इनको थप्पड़ नहीं मारते हैं. मारते हैं इनकी girls commenting on Aarya's YouTube videos. Not a single girl in his Discord server. There are girls in the Discord server. They just don't come out because you creep her out. Don't creep them out, okay? They'll come out. Or they're just waiting. Just make some good memes and they'll react to it. They'll end up reacting to it. Don't worry. Okay, the next one. Me after saying my love for you is diarrhea. I just can't hold it in. To a very random girl after watching Aarya's video. What the hell, dude? Oh, imposter of the vent, what is your wisdom? Le Rohan every time. If you want to talk, get in general. Okay, I get that. Guys, remember this. Okay, remember this. Whenever you talk in general, that is where you talk. The memes and shit post section is just for memes and shit posts. And photo sharing is for sharing. But share the memes in the memes and shit post section. I feel there are memes in the photo sharing section as well. Ugh. How to get laid? We need to make a video on this one. How to get laid should be the title. Me.
धीरज सिंह, ये जो एक हत्या हुई है गांव में, क्या मामला क्या है? आपके घर का मामला ये है, हमारे भाई कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे, हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव.
Okay, I like this. I like this so much. Nice. Good work. That guy has to be Brahma. That guy has to be Brahma. That's the only guy mostly posting the memes. And also Rixar as well. But that has to be the one. Me and my homies chatting everywhere except general. Rohan Niba. Here it comes. Why? Why are there so many memes of Rohan? What happened to me, guys? Next meme. Rohan, me and my homies. General mein chat karo behen ke. What the hell, dude? Rohan just asked you to chat in general and you made 3 memes on him? And I made like 61 videos and all I get is like 20-30 memes? What is that? ये भेदभाव किस बात का बे? Another one. And me and my homies, after getting multiple warnings for using foul language and to chat in general. ये रोहन के बच्चे का कुछ करना पड़ेगा. At this point, you have no respect. You to shut the fuck up, dude. Not a single meme is made on you. Get out. First, you're making memes on Rohan. And now random people from the group. Some guy called Suzuya. I completely butchered the pronunciation at this point. I'm so sorry if that's your real name. We want dank memes. Me, Jana. Well, guys, that is all for today. Thank you so much for joining in our very first meme review video. This was an amazing experience. I felt really good. And this is all possible because of you guys. So I'm very, very grateful and thankful to each and every one of you who put in so much effort. There were other memes as well that I couldn't react to, but they were hilarious. Believe me, you all did amazing. Some of the Dank memes were pretty good. I loved them. Okay, I can't react on every single one of them, but the ones I really liked, I actually reacted to a lot of them, but in the edit I might cut off some of them. But by far, I love this group. I'm very proud of this community. ACG will live on forever. Anti-Chapri gangs are Vijaya so. Anti-Chapri gangs are Vijaya so. If you want to join our amazing Discord group, the link is in the description below. You can go click on that link and join our group there and there. Join the Discord group right now. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. If you don't, give it a thumbs down and let me know why you liked or disliked this video, and you can put your suggestions down in the comment section below. If you want to talk to me personally, my Instagram handle is mentioned below. It's at StreetStyleScape. You can go follow me there and talk to me directly. I'm also on Snapchat for sharing some personal stuff almost on a day-to-day basis, so go add me on Snapchat. It's right here. I'm also on Twitter, where I'm not very active, but I still come there once a while, but I'll try to be more active over there. It's at STRATEGIST on Twitter. Again, thank you so much guys for watching this video. Stay stylish, ACGs. Triple S out.